up those 2 bags and trying to push with that little broom. I said, oh no, I can't do that today. My back's starting to hurt. So what I'm going to do now, I'm on my way to the Fabulous Roses store, and they have really cheap lawn equipment, like a rake and shovel, stuff like that you may need for your yard. And I've been putting it off for the past month since I moved in, and now that I'm starting to get used to doing this yard work, there's a couple things that I need, like a wheelbarrow, a rake, and etc. So I'm on my way to Roses, and when I get there, I will turn the camera on and show you what they have real quick, and then we'll head on back to the house and finish up the yard. So I'll see y'all in a few. Hey y'all, so before I get to Roses, I had to stop, where, at Dollar Tree, and they got them in. So I picked 12 of these up, and we're gonna place these where I just put that that mulch at. So I just wanted to say that's where I was at, and I got a few more goodies. I'll use show you guys that in the Dollar Tree Tuesday video, but this is not about Dollar Tree, but I just wanted to let you know I did have to stop at Dollar Tree. So I'll be back when I get to Roses. Bye. All right, y'all, we at Roses, and this is what I was talking about. At Roses, they have all your lawn equipment. You don't need to go to those high stores, and spend an arm and a leg. Now, they usually have the price out here. I think this is it down up in there. Maybe around here. No. Alright, so I need to find out what the price of these is. This is what I'm going to be picking up, and then I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I am back from Roses yesterday. As I was pulling up, we had a downpour, and if you can see, it is totally wet down here. But when I went to Roses, I found these indoor-outdoor rugs, and I got it in white, and these are $9.99. Hopefully you can see that. $9.99 a piece. I got 2 of them. I did find my rake. I believe this was $6.99. I got this. And then while I was scrolling through the store, if you're in need of a 100-foot hose, they have these. And I think this was $10.99, which is not a bad price for the expandable magic hose. So hopefully you can see that. I already have one, but I ordered it on Amazon last summer, and I did not pay $10.99 for it. So I'm glad that I was able to get one of these for the front of the house. And then lastly, I found these clippers, and they were $6.99, and that's just to trim some of these trees that you see here, because there is a lot of them, until I'm able to get my electric trimmer.